Hey, so this is Mega Snow Lizard. Today I'll bring you Onslaught of Transformers Universe line. And I already have him pre-transformed. I'm going to do the alternate transformation this time. So, this is him with all his doohickeys on him, with his SWAT shield. And even though he's SWAT, he's a Decepticon. I don't understand that too much. Like, with the movie line, you had Barricade being a police vehicle. Now we have, but this one obviously came out before the movies, so we have Onslaught as a SWAT vehicle, and they're both Decepticons. So, anyways, let's go pull this thing off. And it's very simple. It has this little tab that fits into this peg, and then this hole. Then this little doohickey just fits into windshield visor of his shield. So you just want to push that in. Alright, and for the weapon you can actually pull it back. Then if you press this button right here, it will fling out the weapon right there. And you can still press the button on the back. It makes this police sound, then it makes this machine gun sound. And there's no finger articulation, it's just a hole. It does rotate at the wrist though, so that's pretty cool. There's no waist articulation. Well, not that I know of. Yeah, there's no waist articulation. This is the head, just goes side to side, doesn't go up or down. The shoulder's on the ratchet joint. The hip's on the ratchet joints, on two-way. They both have, there's a bicep swivel and also above knee swivel. There's also a ratchet knee, which is kind of cool. The foot actually goes up and down, but that's due to the transformation. Alright, so yeah, on the back you have that orange button that you could press. The siren lights actually come on. I like the, see if you have the machine guns, it'll light up over here. If you have a siren, it'll light up over here. That's kind of cool, and it lights up red, like that a lot. You can still trigger the spinning wheels or turning on engine by just pressing this button over here, or pushing it in. Yeah, but as you see, it doesn't do that much. For this particular figure, I'm going to do a two-part. It's going to be a two-part series, because I do have a butcher head, the third-party butcher head. So let's get this guy transformed. This is my first time transforming him, so yeah, maybe I should have transformed him earlier, but oh yeah, there we go. Now that's a good strong peg hole right there, right? Let's see if I could do this without the directions. I think I'm gonna put myself into a trap and mess up. Oh, this is the battery pack. So you could, if you really need to change the batteries, you could just unscrew those 3 screws and just replace the battery. So that's simple enough. Let's open this up. Over here you have the wheel hidden. You close this back up. Pretty sure this thing. Oh, okay. Yeah. This is my second time transforming him. My first time transforming him into vehicle form. So I'm trying to do the best I can without checking out the directions too much. Let's see. Let's go close that part down. It can't be that hard, right? Yes. Yes, I understand. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, okay. Because the thing is, Transformers, they're supposed to be a robot, a vehicle, and a puzzle. So I'm trying to figure this out without looking at the directions too often. Let's see if I could do it. Obviously, this will be part of that. But first, I need to find a way how to get those arms in. Because this is the front. I know that they close in on each other. I just don't know how it's done. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. No, we want it up. We want it up like that. How do I fold that down? Oh, no. Part of the paint came off. Oh no, it's all around this figure. Okay, it's not my fault. Okay, so that's good. Just as long as it's not my fault, I guess that's okay. The thing is, I'm not trying to force anything, but that's the last thing I want to do. Does this part go up? Yeah, this one piece. Oh gosh, what do I do? Let's go. Look at the directions real fast, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Come on, it's supposed to go up here. I know that for sure. The arm doesn't look right. Oh, there we go. And it goes. Oh, there we go. Something like this. Bend that in, fold that out. Something like that. Then it's supposed to. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that wasn't too bad, I think. Yeah, okay. I knew the arms collapsed somehow. I just didn't know exactly how. And so the wheels have to be on the bottom, so I'm just going to rotate this up like so. Let's go, just put those into... Oh, okay, okay. I didn't even pull it that hard. But I guess for mine it's a little bit loose. Oh, okay, so we have so far so good. Let's see. There's a big part missing here. Which, oh, I see. It's folds out like that. There we go. And let me see. Is this right? Has to be right. No. Some part is not set. What part is not set? Like it like that. Oh, this is not pegged into here. Should be pegged in. There we go. Come on. Plug that part back in again. Why is it having trouble fitting in? I know where this part goes. Oh, not quite. There it is. Unfold that, unfold that. This is too close up, I think, right? And put that thing again. Wow, I have a really loose connection point right there. Let me see if I can plug that back in. So I do that. I know this part goes back, but it's not forward enough. Only because the hands get in the way, which, the hands are not folding. I bet lots of you guys going, dude, that should have been the first thing that you saw. But, oops. Yep. I'm not perfect. Not yet. Okay. You guys could quote me on that. But anyways, let's go get this re-plugged in. Okay, so this one should be able to slide up a little bit further now. Oh, that looks almost there, but still doesn't look right. Oh, I know this peg goes into here. It's a little tiny tab. But there's a little gap that I'm not happy with. This part doesn't seem to fit over here. What's wrong with that? Let me look at the picture real fast. No, it's supposed to go maybe underneath. No, it's supposed to fit right there. Yeah, it's right, but it doesn't fit in. Why does it not fit in? Does it sit on top? Does it just sit on top? Interesting. Let's go try this side then. Maybe that'll give us some I guess it just sits on top like that. It just looks kind of. Oh, I see. It's supposed to be like there's these little tiny ridges on. Oh, sorry, if I'm off camera. There's like a vent on the side, so I guess it's supposed to stick out a tiny bit. So it's not supposed to fold up underneath or anything like that. Okay. So that side's right. This side's almost right. Thank you. There we go. There we go. No. Why does it keep on popping out? Is there something wrong underneath? No. There we go. So the back part matches. So it's just this front part that I'm having issue with. Well, this one's rotating well. What do I have wrong? Everything underneath looks fine. Unless the head's supposed to be tilted in maybe another way? No? Because I know if I don't have this aligned correctly, it's not gonna... Oh, I see. That's why. Okay. So there's a tab over here. Sorry, there's a black tab over here that's supposed to go through this white. Yeah. So that was my bad. Maybe I should look at the directions. Hey. There we go. So that way it's not causing. It won't cause this thing to spring out as much, hopefully. Trying to get the pegs inside the hole again. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now for this side. Okay, that looks pretty much set over here now, because now those tabs are in those peg holes. I mean those holes. Now it sits kind of flush. Almost. This. Oh, I see. Okay, there we go. Now it sits flush. All right. Wow, that took me a little longer than I expected. And you can still actually press this button, but it goes. The gun goes the opposite direction. There we go. Yeah, and I did sneak a peek to on the instruction. Something's not saying right here either. It's always with these silly little tabs. I keep on missing it. There we go. Now he looks all set. Now he's perfect, except for the headlights. Now he's perfect. Or maybe you could lower those too. There we go. Alright. The thing is, he's big and bulky, so it doesn't do that much. It doesn't have that many bad points about it. Close that down. You can actually put this shield top, maybe the other direction, on top, and the sirens will fit into that groove right there. So you have this big giant shield on top, which doesn't look, it looks kind of out of place, to be honest. I like the detailing a lot. 127A2 Monzo SWAT, and the lights are actually, for mine, they look kind of bubbly. There's lots of bubbles and stuff in there. This transparent. The paint is kind of blotchy on top. The front looks nice. I like the transparent windows. Overall, it's pretty good. Let's see if the sounds are actually working for the wheels, if I said it correctly. Yep. So that's why I know that I transformed it correctly. And if you push the button, yep. So it's all working. So great. I want to get this figure. It looks like lots of people have this particular mold. So the SWAT vehicle I think it looks better without this stupid thing on top, because then he actually looks like a vehicle instead of a turtle. Um, yeah, yeah. So it's not bad. It has 6 different wheels. It rolls pretty well. I'm still not sure what this thing is supposed to be for. I haven't seen the actual vehicle, or if it's actually made from a real vehicle. But yeah. The vehicle, which I think it looks good. I think they should have painted this a different color. It sticks out a little bit with the white plastic. I wish it was like gray or something like the lines of this. Let's see here. Yeah, so if I had to give a rating to the vehicle, it might be like it will be an 8. It's not my favorite, but it does look okay. The robot form, I actually like the joints and stuff a lot. The joints are not too tight. One of my leg joints like to pop off a lot. I think that's I mess around with the other leg too, but it doesn't pop off. So I think that's kind of loose. So the robot will actually get Onslaught. The robot mode will get like a 8 from me. We'll get an 8. I don't think it's the best. Maybe when I switch it out with the third-party head, but the butcher, it might look 10 times better for me, and with the knives and all that jazz. So, so this was not a quick review. I might do this a little bit more often. Just transform it for the first time in front of the camera. Just give you guys a taste of how long does it take without looking at the instructions. So this is Mega Snow Lizard signing off. You guys have a great, wonderful day.